Okay, so that's how we get started with Rock and Roll Band by Boston. We're going to start out with this B power chord here, 2 on the 5th string, 4 and 4. We're going to hit that twice, and then we're going to lift this ring finger out of here to make a 2-2-4 chord, and it's going to go. So 2 times back and forth there, so we got. And then you're going to hold that into the next measure just a little bit. So we're going to have that B chord again to an A bass, and then an E power chord, E bass, A power chord, E bass. So the end is E to E, A to E. Okay, so it's 2-0, E, A, E. Okay, it's kind of a weird little part. Or just take it kind of slow at first when you're getting it. So we do that 3 times through. I'll say this is the 3rd one, and we go into it just chugging this. Okay, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and then we go 2-0 on the A, 3-0 or 4-0, whichever one you think sounds better there on the E to the E chord there. So this last time of this first thing. You could also give a little kind of a half bend on that to kind of make it sound like between the 3 and the 4. So we got the 2-0, 3. We're going to an E power chord there. We're going to go. So we had the E kind of before the measure, goes into the first beat of the new measure. So it's like. Then you hit it again. 3-4 in the E to the 2 down here, back to the 3-4. So we're going to go. To the A, and then hit the A again. 3-4, back to the A, big 3-4, open, and we get into cycling that. So it's like. So this 4th time of this thing we got. Okay, so 05, 06 on the A there. Back to this. Regular. But we have a fill here. So that's 040 on the A, 3-4. And we do that one twice. So the 2 times of that would be like. Here's where we get into the change going into the chorus. So we have a 3-4 F sharp power chord. Then we hit it again, so it's. So we kind of slide into the 6, 6-4-4, 6-4 in the A there. We get into an A power chord. So we got the F sharp, little fill there, and then we get into the A chord. Going to the B chord. So that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so that whole kind of ending thing is. So we got a double lead that comes in here. I'm going to do them at the same time. Okay, so it's 9s, 8 and 7, 6 and 5, 4s, 6 and 5 again. 1 and 2, so you could split them apart and do them singly. So the high one would be 9-7, 5-4, 5-2, and the other one would be 9-8, 6, 9-8, 6, 4, 6, 1. Put them together, you got. Okay, and after that little fill there, we got the chorus chords coming in. It's going to be C sharp power chord, A twice to B, so we got. Do that twice. And then we go to an E chord, we go. So bum bum dee dum bum bum dee. Got the F sharp there. Chromatic, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this whole thing we got. Okay, so we had kind of the A to the B to the E, and we do that twice. We go. Okay, so we got a riff. 4, 2 on the A, big 4, 2, 4, up to that E, or you could probably hit an E chord there at the same time. So it ends with, and then we're back into a verse. So from the E honky tonk thing, we got. And then we got, on the upbeat, we start a new verse. So the verse is going to be the same, you know, the tricky parts where we had that. Down, of course. Okay, so we're going to chug on the E there. That's going to take us into the solo. So we're going to bend the 13, and the second time we're going to bend it, kind of give it some more vibrato. And then we're going like, so kind of a series of letting the bend come down. Okay, so we're gonna go down to the 11 after that. We got 11, 14, 11. 14's on the second string. We're gonna have 11, 13 bend, a little 14, bend it down, 11, 13 to 11 on the D. So we got. And then we come over here to the 7. We're gonna have 3 of those little things. We start with the 7, and then we bend the 9 on the G, and we go 7, pull off to set 10 to 7. So we got. We're going to hit the 9 here, then we're going to come to the 16. Okay, so bend the 16 and then hammer on pull off with the 14 to the 16 on the second and back of that 14. Then we're going to come to the 19. So up, down, up. Same thing with that pull off, hammer on pull off thing. And then 21st. We're going to bend that one up, so up, down, up, and then 9, 7, 6 on the D to your E starts the next verse. So solo one more time. We go. So same stuff for the verse. One fill is a little bit different when we get to the. We have a different fill this time. It's gonna go. So D, O to O to the 3. So. Okay, let me keep going. And they got your chorus and stuff. Now when we finish the chorus this time. Okay, then we're to the very end of it. So what happened there was E, then we go up 2 to the F sharp. Maybe hit that twice. Then we got a 9 and 8 on the A and D. We got chromatic up to the 12, 11. 14, 13 twice. And then these power chords, 10, 12. to the 12 and 14. That's G to A power chords. So we had. We have the last little harmony thing. So it's 9s on the G and B twice. And then we're going 11 and 10, kind of hammering into these 12s. We're going to go to 9, 8 at the end. Kind of slide into the 9s again. Now this last time, after we did that twice, we're going on an upbeat, D to A power chords, and E with a pick scratch.